Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fahmi Sabri. I am from the class R4A, session July-December 2023. Today I'll be presenting to you about bioimpedance spectroscopy and liver response during ischemia. Ischemia, or reduced blood flow to the liver, is a serious condition that can lead to cell death and organ failure. Bioimpedance spectroscopy, or BIS, is a non-invasive technique can be used to measure liver response to acute ischemia. BIS measures the electrical impedance of tissue across a range of frequencies. This impedance is influenced by a number of factors, including cell membrane integrity, fluid content, and blood flow. By measuring impedance at different frequencies, BIS can provide insights into the physiological changes that occur in the living during ischemia. The resistance of liver is measure of how much is opposed the flow of glucose. The reactance of a liver is a measure of how much glucose it stores. This graph shows the resistance and reactance of 5 different livers over time. As you can see, the resistance of all 5 livers increases over time. This is because the livers becoming more saturated with glucose. However, the rate at which the resistance increases varies from liver to liver. The liver 1 has the highest resistance, while liver 5 has the lowest resistance. The reactance of all 5 liver also increases over time. This is because liver are storing more glucose. However, the rate at which the reactance increases also varies from liver to liver. Liver 1 has the highest reactance, while liver 5 has the lowest reactance. This information can be used to develop new treatments for liver diseases. For example, if we can find a way to reduce the resistance of livers, we may be able to improve the flow of glucose of the liver and prevent damage. Our results showed that BIS parameters such as resistance and reactance changed significantly during ischemia. These changes were correlated with the severity of liver damage. We also found that BIS could be used to distinguish between ischemic and non-ischemic liver tissue. Our findings suggest that BIS is a promising technique for monitoring liver response to ischemia. BIS is non-invasive, relatively inexpensive, and can be used to obtain real-time measurements. This makes it a potential tool for use in clinical settings to monitor patients at risk liver ischemia. At the end, BIS is a non-invasive technique that can be used to measure liver response to ischemia. Our findings suggest that BIS has the potential to be used as a tool to monitor patients at risk of liver ischemia. Further research is needed to validate BIS in clinical settings. We are currently conducting a clinical study to validate BIS for monitoring liver response to ischemia in patients undergoing liver surgery. We are also developing a BIS-based device that can be used to monitor liver function in real time. We believe that BIS has the potential to improve the management of patients with liver ischemia and other liver diseases. That's all from me. Thank you.